party people, welcome. We've got another vehicle in the shed for a GVM upgrade. So, as you might know, JMax GVMs are kind of a thing that we do here, and Warnie is talking smack in the background about me doing my thing, but we're just going to ignore him. So we're doing a leaf GVM on this one. If you didn't know, that is an option through our JMax systems that we utilize. So rather than just doing coils, you can do a leaf GVM upgrade both in the 39 and the 4200 space. Mind you, leaf is a little bit of a different ball game. You definitely need to have weight on your vehicle constantly to get the full benefits of the leaf GVMs. So be aware of that if you do want to go down that road. It is definitely a must to have the correct amount of constant load on your vehicle when you're doing a leaf GVM setup. So for the guys that are running, you know, work type setups on the rear, so full canopies, tools, all that, or your full-time touring and towing, something like a leaf can obviously work for you. The coils, it's just a lot more forgiving when you are, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm looking for a word. When you're varying your weight a lot. So that's the better thing about the coils. Anyway, blabbering about nothing. So we're gonna do a 4200 leaf setup on this vehicle, clutch, coils in the front, shocks, and we've already done a few of the accessories for Trey already on his vehicle. So we've done bar work, roof rack's gone on with a full X-ray vision setup on the roof rack. We've got spotlights on the front. We're doing a dual battery system in this. Couple of other little things, and then that's it for this one. So we're going to have no tray on the rear when we're done with it, and then the vehicle will get shipped to Trey, who's up north, and he's going to do whatever he's going to do tray wise on the back of this thing.